freaking beautiful. Dude, this car sounds amazing, dude. I literally don't think I'm ever gonna get over it. Oh my goodness. The sunset's so nice. So nice right now. Holy. Oh my goodness, this thing sounds crazy. Oh my goodness, such a good feeling. Yeah, right now my homies are pulling up here for some reason. There's like some kind of car meet going on, small one seems like. I mean, I hope it's small because where it's located, it's a small park. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That noise is so satisfying, it's unreal. Holy. Yeah, boys, we're grinding out these POVs because I'm gonna be gone for 3 weeks. And then I gotta get in the flow of recording a lot because after this 3 weeks, I'm going back to Germany again for 2 weeks. So it's gonna be grind time, boys, grind time. The park should be somewhere, I think, on this street right here. I think it's the next one, actually. Oh my gosh, those downshifts. Those downshifts are disgusting, dude. But yeah, all the homies that I usually ride with, any exotic dude, it's pretty much gonna be here. It's gonna be a good time, bro. We're gonna make this little nighttime POV. Sunset/nighttime. I gotta record as much as I can this next literally couple days, because when I'm working, dude, I won't have time. Because I also trade, you know? Like the wrong address. It's the same street number, but I didn't double check the freaking name because I didn't think there was 2 different spots. But yeah, boys, we went to the wrong spot. I accidentally put in like the wrong. I put the right numbers in, but I guess I chose the wrong one. But not a big deal. It's like 5 minutes away. Oh my goodness. Dude, I love this freaking car so much. Oh my goodness, this nighttime POV is gonna be a vibe. I think we're finally at the right spot. So we're gonna turn right over here. This is actually a big parking spot, so I was completely wrong, bro. I don't know why the GPS like said a completely different location. So we'll see right now. Let's see if it's a vibe. Dude, these downshifts are so nice. Hellcat all alone.
That guy beside me.
Dude, the car, this lineup is hard. Only exotics here, but dude, in my area, this is actually really good. I'm actually surprised. It's actually fine. Dude, this setup is so nasty. I can't believe like I actually drive with these guys. I mean, these kind of cars are just so crazy. One day, boys, one day. If I ever get to a point where I can actually buy this, dude, that means that we finally got my business idea and it worked. You know what I mean? 65 LT is like, dude, that's the setup, bro. That color is so clean too. It's crazy. Oh, dude, those cars are so clean. That V12 Aventador is nasty. Dude, these downshifts are going crazy. Woo! That is freaking lit, dude. Dang, there's so much traffic here, bro. I love the way this car freaking sounds. Oh my goodness. But yeah, we do a little nighttime POV, bro. Pumping out all these videos with the fever, bro, is honestly like getting rough right now. I'm gonna be honest. Homies are dipping, bro. Oh my gosh! I heard my ears heavy, bro. Dude, I love this car so much though. This car makes hella noise. It's like, dude, M5's like nasty, bro. I love. I'm so happy I got one, bro. No more FOMO, dude. That's like the best part about it is like no more FOMO. Now it's time to grind more, pay off these cars heavy. You know what I mean? Make enough cash on the side to just pay these cars off, or it's not gonna be a stress anymore. Yeah, dude, I would have went to the restaurant with the boys, but it's always good meeting up with the boys, especially in my area, bro. It's like, it's so convenient, bro. It's so convenient. So yeah, dude, I'll be honest with you guys. My goal today was just to edit videos, but dude, I freaking love this engine, bro. And the dude with the 720, he was like, yeah, bro, one day, let's switch cars next time. He wants to drive the Hellcat, and I'm like, dude, boys, you know what happens when we drive a car? That means we gotta get one someday, bro. That's the goal, boys. That's the freaking goal. I also met another dude with the Redeye CL1 and TRX, bro. And he's my age, bro. So you ain't know we're gonna be riding with this dude. I'm hyped, bro. I don't regret this car at all. This car is like such a beast, bro. It just feels like a beast. Like I can care less which car's faster. I can literally care less if you beat me in a race. I can literally care less. This car is freaking amazing. It feels amazing, sounds amazing. I don't freaking care less. People be bugging about how fast it is. I don't care, bro. It's a V8 supercharger, bro. That's all I need. But I do want a C8. There's so many cars I want. We gotta grind harder, bro. The C8 sounds disgusting, bro. Catless C8s? Oh my goodness, bro. Honestly, I've never heard such V8 sound so crazy. But honestly, dude, I might have to move out of state and be buying all these freaking cars. Like somewhere like, not Arizona, like Texas or Florida, bro. We got In-N-Out. The In-N-Out's the vibe. Like if you guys don't get In-N-Out, if you guys don't live in LA, you're not gonna enjoy In-N-Out when you first eat it. But when you live here, bro, you get it consistently. I don't know why. It's just like the vibe. Like just even sitting outside, just like, I mean, dude, after football games, we used to always go, and it was always the vibe, dude. It was just something to do after. All right, boys, we're getting close to the end of the video. Dude, this car is such a vibe, man. I'm so thankful for this car. I'm so thankful I got this freaking car. up this freaking street. Close walls, bro. I need to open up the freaking windows for this. Let's go. Oh my goodness, I need headers, bro. I need long tube freaking headers. Wait, was that a TRX? No, it's a Ford. That looks like a beast freaking Ford. It has the same like yellow lights in the front. I can't imagine how this car sounds like from the outside. It probably sounds crazy. I wish this car popped like the M5, you know? So just juicy freaking farts. But the farts don't sound the same on this car compared to like the foreigns, bro. The foreigns got some freaking nice pops. Favorite street at nighttime, boys? That sounded crazy. Oh my goodness. Dude, I can hear the tires like skirting right now. It sounds sick. Wow, dude, this car is amazing, bro. I really hope I can keep buying more cars for you guys. I want to showcase all of them, dude. I want to show that grind all day, every day, putting Jesus first, of course, right? Because he's the provider, bro. He's the only reason why you got strength to do work in the first place. You gotta give credit, and then you gotta give 10% to the church. It's literally biblical to give 10%, boys. So make sure you guys are giving 10%. You know, God provides everything. That's insane, bro. That is insane. That's actually like, dude, it's unreal. It's actually unreal. Alright, boys, I'm gonna end the video off. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys leave a like. If you guys want to see more, make sure to subscribe. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.